These Let's Tie Up kits are fun and functional. From protecting your boat against docks or helping you tie up to some of your friends or fellow boatmates out at the lake. They are considered fenders, but with a quick glance, you can see that these are just big blow-up balls that are designed to protect your boat. I'm going to show you how we use the Let's Tie Up kit on our boat. With any boat, storage is a big deal. The fenders come in this deflated state, which allows them to be stored in many different locations on your boat. So they take up space when they're needed, but they compress down when they're stored away. Simply use an electric pump or a hand pump to inflate them to your desired size and firmness. Then insert this plug and you're good to go. We mainly use them for docking our boat. We use the bungee to attach the ball like this, which gives us the ability to adjust the height of the ball depending on the height of the dock. Then we use a Centurion dock line to run from the boat cleat to the dock cleat. These make it nice to dock our boat. The big fenders provide great protection for the boat. We leave them attached in our slip so that they're in the correct position when we come back for the day to help catch the boat against the dock. We can also use them to tie up with some of our friends while we're out at the lake. Again, we use the bungee cord with the fender like this and adjust the height to maximize the protection of the boats. We then stretch the bungee over to our friends' boats and then we're tied up together. To prevent any damage, we always swivel our board racks in. When we are done, we use this little tool to pull out the plug and deflate the fenders, then put them into storage until their next use. Let's Tie Up offers some other cool ways to tie up with your friends or at a dock. You can find that on their website. All of these nautical products have been created by a boat lover and somebody who supported us all by serving in the US Coast Guard. He knows his stuff, and you can find him and his family on some of their favorite lakes, like Lake Havasu down here in Arizona. Check out how some fellow Centurion and Supreme boat owners make life better for others by using their boats. Tap or click the screen here to get some inspiration. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.